Hi guys, this is Waray Pinay and you are watching Waray Pinay channel. It's been a while since my last vlog and I think I missed having videos about language and time. And today I'll start with the numbers. So to make it easier for you, we will start with 1 to 10. And to give you a heads up guys, in Waray, we use different terms when we describe quantity and when we describe the value of a money. Let's start with the quantity. So, 1 is usa, 2 is dua, 3 is tulo, 4 is upat, 5 is lima, 6 is unom, 7 is pito, 8 is walo, 9 is siyam, and 10 is napulo. So that's it. Let's move to describing the value of the money. So 1 peso is piso, 2 pesos is dos, 3 pesos is tres, 4 pesos is cuatro, 5 pesos is cinco, 6 pesos is sais, 7 pesos is siete, 8 pesos is ocho, 9 pesos is nueve, and 10 pesos is G's. So, as you notice, it's almost similar, although not, it's similar to how some Spanish words in counting numbers. That's because, as I informed in my previous vlog, that we were colonized by Spanish for more than 300 years, so we have some terms that it's almost the same as them. But it also differs in the different regions in the country. So, like, to give you the example of nueve. In Waray, we call it nueve, but if you go to the Tagalog area, it's nueve. So, there's a slight difference. Okay, that's it. And I hope you learned something from me. It's been a while and I missed making vlogs, and I want to thank those who stayed subscribed to this channel. And if you haven't subscribed and liked my channel, please do so and get acquainted on our culture, music, place, food, and the people. Alright, and I hope you're having a nice day. And by the way guys, for the past 5 months that I wasn't able to make vlogs, I was actually transacting some compliance on my e-commerce business, and because I moved to a new place and I had to make it under the new address. And also guys, this 2021 January, we will be having an opening for those who are interested as an online sales representative and online sales partner. So there's all 2 options that we offer, and this December I'm starting to look for some candidates who are interested. So if you're interested, just message me or visit our page in Facebook, because we're more active in that page. You can check it from time to time. It's Webpreneur shop. Just look for Webpreneur online shop. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.